guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to test together a new foundation by L'Oreal, and this is the 24-hour fresh wear. You can find this foundation in 26 shades, and I got mine in the shade 125 Natural Rose. It claims that it gives a natural finish, so I am guessing it will not be matte, so we're going to see together. It claims that it is long lasting for 24 hours. I'm not going to test it for 24 hours, but I'm going to do a wear test so we can see if it is long lasting. It also claims that it gives a full coverage finish, so we're going to see if it can cover everything that I have on my skin. And it also has oxygen technology that makes this foundation lightweight. The cost of this foundation is €12.95 and we get 30 milliliters of product. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite foundation by L'Oreal and also what is your skin type. My favorite one is the Infallible 24-hour matte, and I love it. I use it all the time when I want to test a primer or another face product. This one here. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new foundation. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. As we can see, we have a glass bottle and also a pump. Let's see if this is working well. To prime my face, I'm going to use a Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base by Catrice Cosmetics. On half of my face, I'm going to use a disposable sponge, and on the other half, I will use a Makeup Buffer brush by Essence. Okay, you need a couple of pumps. This is very liquidy. Okay. Oh yeah, it claims that it is lightweight. So I'm going to take it with my sponge. It has a scent like a perfume, but it's not very strong. Let's see the color. Yes, exactly my color. As we can see, it covered a lot of my discoloration, veins. I can still see some very fresh pimples that I have, and they were very red. I think it has a very nice coverage. I am going to apply a little bit more. On the other half, I will use my brush. I will try with only one pump to see how it blends on my skin. Okay, that blends nice and it doesn't leave any lines, guys. Hooray! Okay, I think I like it more with the brush. It gives a more airbrush effect. I like both sides. I think I like a little bit more this side here, maybe because I have less product. On this side I have, I think, 3 pumps, and on this side I have 2. I can still see some freckles on my nose, but I don't mind that. I will try to build the foundation on this area here that I have some pimples. I can still see some of my pimples that they were very red. If you want a fuller coverage finish, you can apply it with a sponge. If you want a more airbrush finish, you can apply it with this type of brush. As we can see, it oxidizes almost a shade darker because this is the freshly one and this is the darker shade that I also have now on my face. It doesn't cling on any dry areas because I had some dry areas here because I had a pimple and I didn't leave it alone. And it was dry now. The foundation is not very sticky. I like that because I will not need a lot of powder, I am hoping. I feel it a little bit tight on this area here on my cheekbone. There is a chance that I have applied more product to see if it is buildable. It doesn't set in the fine lines. That's amazing. I love that. Also on my smile lines, it doesn't crease. I like that. It looks very smooth on my skin, and also it is not completely matte. It has like a satin finish. It's not that dry matte effect that some foundations give. This one looks more natural on the skin. For concealer, I will use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. My concealer blended very easy on top of my foundation. To set everything, I'm going to use the Art Deco Fixing Powder with a powder brush by Morphe. Hi guys, it's been 9 hours and let's see what happened with the foundation. So the foundation didn't cling on dry areas or oily areas. My skin looks very smooth. I have a very light glow all over my skin, especially on the cheekbones and a little bit on the forehead. And I'm not very sticky. It looks like a healthy glow. It's not greasy or oily. It looks very nice. It looks like a natural finish. And the foundation didn't move, guys. It didn't crease in the fine lines. I love that. And also on my smile lines. It is like a very nice, beautiful foundation on my skin and very comfortable. I can still feel a little bit tight on this area, like I said before, but I am thinking that I have applied a lot of foundation because of the review today. If you want a more matte effect on your skin, you can use the mattifying primer by Essence. I will have a card here with the review that I have done. I am very surprised that it didn't crease, and I am doing a lot of expressions with my forehead. I speak a lot, you see me in the videos. The only thing that I didn't like about this foundation is that it oxidizes at least one shade darker. I like this foundation, I want to use it more, but the first impression is a very happy impression. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments if this is a foundation that you would like to try. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!